How's it? I'm over at my mom's house and she has 4 beautiful mosaic red canaries. Just wanted to take a quick video for you guys to see them. Look at them all hiding up there, silly birds. My mom have nests on the side here. Nothing happened here. But she's also got one on the other side. This is a nest that's just been built in the last week, it looks like. She has 2 males and 2 females. The males have the more vibrant face, and the head is more colored. And the females, like in the video here, the 2 there on the left, are with the white heads are the females. She provided him a little clip stuff right here. This was full. Now it's down to barely anything in there because I made the nest with it. My mom is very thorough. She has different names on what she puts in each one of her cups. Some oyster over here. And she always feeds her birds nice fruits and vegetables every single day, just like I do. Just to make some nice happy birds. The canaries are gorgeous, and when they sing, what a beautiful song they have. Reminds me of Hawaii. Cool, thanks for watching.